If you want to protect your website, migrate it later, or just keep a safe copy in case something goes wrong, backing up your site is one of the smartest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your website on GoDaddy CPanel step by step using the built-in backup tools inside your hosting account. It's a simple process, and once you know where everything is, you can do it anytime you need. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful website and hosting guides, and let's jump right in. First, go to the GoDaddy website and sign into your account. Use the same login details that are connected to your hosting plan. Once you're in, look for the My Product section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services tied to your account, including domain names, hosting, and other products. Inside My Products, find your web hosting plan and click Manage. This will take you to the management area for that hosting account. From here, you need to open CPanel Admin. CPanel is the control panel that gives you access to the server tools you'll use for backups, files, databases, and more. Once CPanel opens, look for the Files section. Under that area, click Backup. This is where CPanel stores the backup options for your hosting account. If you're backing up a full website, this is the place you want to be, because it gives you access to a complete account backup rather than just one file or folder. Now click Download a full account backup. This option creates a complete copy of your hosting account, which is useful if you want to preserve your website files, settings, and related account data. After you click it, you'll see backup settings that let you choose where the backup file should be stored before you download it. For the destination, choose Home Directory. This is the standard option for saving the backup file on your hosting account before downloading it to your computer. It's the safest and common choice for a full backup, and it keeps the process straightforward. After selecting Home Directory, click Generate Backup. At this point, CPanel will begin creating your backup file. Depending on the size of your website and the amount of data on your hosting account, this may take a few minutes. If your site has a lot of files, images, databases, or email data, the backup can take a little longer, so give it some time to finish. When the backup process is complete, go back to the backup area and look for the backup file that was generated. Once it appears, download the file to your computer or storage device. I always recommend saving it in more than one place if possible, so you have an extra copy in case you ever need to restore your site later. And that's it. You've now backed up your website on GoDaddy CPanel. This is an important habit for every website owner, because having a backup can save you a huge amount of time and stress if your site ever gets broken, hacked, or updated incorrectly. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.